so next, last year, I added to the shop when we were doing Christmas shopping with Mom. And I have two of the kits. These are a junk journal embellishment kit. Okay. So this is what you have. It's going to come in wrapped in paper around this 12 by 12. Okay? Because it's pretty lightweight. Okay, so let's start with your pile of paper products. You're going to get a doily. That's perfect for using with the Christmas shopping with Mom. It is a digital kit in the Dear Julie Etsy shop, and it is pictures of Mom and children, and they look like they're shopping. You get some of the tickets. You get a large file card. You get one of my favorite wallpaper cover pieces. You get some adorable children's clothes, stickers, one of my favorite black and white wax 8x8 papers. You get two of the small ledger, a do it now, do it later, some noisy paper, a couple pages from the desktop calendar, some vintage lined paper. You get some graph paper so that you have graph paper to be able to make your templates. You get some side-by-side journal pages. Okay. You get these, and yes, they have the rooster and farm to table, but that's because we use this. There are videos where I use this kit. Okay. You get a couple of ledger papers, some more graph paper, another lined paper, and then you get two of the 12 by 12 present pages, plus these two pieces. Okay, and you get two of the holly pages. Okay, so that gives you 4 12 by 12 pages of scrapbook paper. And then for your tassel this time, you get this Celebrate It. You get 1, 2, I think there might be more than a yard of that one, but you get a yard of at least each of those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get 2 Christmas Santa stamps and a piece of coffee dyed dryer sheet. Remember, I did a video where I made things with this, so I gave you the things that I used. Some baker's twine, some of the red bling, some lace. You get a full washi tape, and then your findings, you have 2 red presents, 2 green presents. Actually it's 3 red presents, 2 green presents, a little bell, a little tiny paper clip, and some big paper clips. Okay, and then in your smaller paper little bag, you get the bag. Okay, so you'll be able to use the bag in your project. And you get these 2 full little pads. Okay, these 2 full little pads. You get flowers and 3 guest checks. These ones are my favorite that look kind of vintage. You get some of the hole reinforcers, a couple of these white tags, a sticker with some flowers on it, a little tiny card, and then several of these little tags. So red, white, green, a little tiny white, and a craft colored. You get a flinch card from the Dear Julie flinch card kit. Get one. A couple of Project Life cards, a little floral envelope, and some Monopoly money because, you know, you've got to have money to go shopping with Mom. And so there is that kit, and I will try and find the video that goes with this, and I will put that in the description box down below. So this is Christmas Shopping with Mom journal kit. Christmas Shopping with Mom journal kit.